Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Friday the 17th of November. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the CAC-40 index, which on TradingView has the code FR40EUR. What we'll see is that the index might be about to start another flag formation. It seems set on trading around the 20-week moving average, which is still moving upwards, so we're still in that trend. Let's look at those charts. So on the weekly, you can see that we've pulled back. This could really be the start of an elongated flag formation, similar to what we had between May and September, but it's still very early days. I would say that the dominant factor for the index for quite a long time has been this 20-week moving average. You can see that it's still moving upwards, keeps creating the support and resistance levels, and I would hope that on this flag it will create the support. It's presently 52.13, but moving upwards. Momentum has been lost on the weekly. You can see the RSI now trading down at 55. And the MACD as well, short term, is close back to the longer term, although they are still just edging up slightly, so there's still some modest upside momentum visible. On the daily picture, here you can see that we've moved below the 20 and the 50 moving average. The 50 is still moving upwards. I would say it's quite important that we get back above that. As you can see, back on the long flag that we had May to September, the index found it difficult getting above that 50-day. Once it broke above it was good, so let's try and get back above that again. That's at 53.69 at the moment. RSI indicating that there's negative momentum around, down at 40.52. Likewise, the short-term MACD has gone below zero, tracking below the longer term. On the short term, the 4-hour chart, here you can see that we're below the 200 average. It'd be good if we could get back above that. It is still moving upwards. We're getting immediate resistance from this downtrend in 20 average, which is moving down, and did create a bearish cross with the 50. Momentum is trying to pick up. We did have a non-confirmation on the RSI when it reached its low a couple of days ago, with the RSI reading there being above where it was on the previous low, despite the low being lower. So that was a potentially positive sign, and we are seeing an uptick in the momentum, but it's still slightly negative, 46.19. I would say if we can get above the 200-day, then that could push up towards the 50, which is 54.23. Looking at the support and resistance levels, resistance from the high 13th of November, 53.92.3, then resistance at the 20-day, 54.3, with support coming in at the 20-week, which is 52.52.17, then that 200-day, 52.05.33. So that's been TA for Traders looking at the CAC-40. The key takeaways from the video should be we're in a medium-term trend around the 20-week. This is now, sorry, got an E on there, a key support level. Needs to hold near the 50-day and the 200 on the 4-hour. Momentum indicators still negative, but overall it could be the start of another flag. Thanks for watching this video. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. You then get email updates when I come out with new videos on YouTube. There'll be no videos next week. I'm up in London working, but they'll start the week after. And I don't just cover equity indices, I cover commodity, FX, and single stocks in the UK and the US. Excuse me. Thanks for watching. Please remember these videos are for information only and in my opinion, and they're not an investment recommendation.